DIY or do-it-yourself tips are clever, inventive, and simple ways that make everyday tasks less tedious. They are often shortcuts or modifications to traditional ways of doing things that help to make life more manageable. These tips can also be seen as innovative and impromptu answers to common difficulties. It is best noting that the best life hacks are the simple ones. Today, we have compiled a list of 8 DIY tips that will make your life easier. Make sure you watch to the end because you might have overlooked some of the DIY tips on this list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1. Keep a well-stocked toolbox. Having a variety of tools on hand can make it much easier to tackle a wide range of projects around the house. A basic toolbox should include a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, a level, a tape measure, and a set of wrenches. In addition, it's also good to have a utility knife, a set of screwdrivers, a set of Allen wrenches, and a set of pliers. Having these basic tools will make it easier to do everything from hanging shelves and pictures to fixing leaky faucets and unclogging drains. Number 2. Learn basic sewing skills. Knowing how to sew can be extremely useful for mending ripped or torn clothes, making alterations, and even creating new projects. Basic sewing skills include threading a needle, tying a knot, and understanding the different types of stitches. With a sewing machine, it is even more fun and easy. You can make various home decor, clothing, and other crafts. Number 3. Keep a cleaning schedule. Next is keeping a cleaning schedule. Setting aside specific times of the week for cleaning can help you stay organized and keep your living spaces in order. For example, you could designate Monday as laundry day, Tuesday as vacuum and dust day, and so on. This will make it easier to keep on top of your cleaning tasks and make your living spaces more pleasant and comfortable. Number 4. Organize your pantry. Next is organizing your pantry. Keep your food items well organized by grouping them by category and storing them in clear containers. This will make finding what you need and know easier when you run out of something. You can also keep labels on the containers to help you quickly find what you are looking for. Number 5. Easily peel a boiled egg with baking soda. It is often a frustrating experience to peel eggs in a messy way with the white stuck to the eggshells. When you add baking soda to water while boiling eggs, it causes the pH level to rise, making the eggshells more alkaline. The alkaline environment weakens the bond between the eggshell and the membrane, making it easier to peel the egg. Just watch the egg separate smoothly from its shell. No more messy eggs. Number 6. Learn basic home repairs. Simple repairs, such as changing a light bulb, fixing a leaky faucet, or even changing a tire, can save you a lot of time and money. These repairs can be done relatively quickly with a bit of knowledge and the right tools. Moreover, learning how to do these repairs by yourself can give you a sense of accomplishment and empowerment after successful completion. 7. Plan your meals. It is a great time-saving strategy to plan your meals in advance. You can do just that by making a grocery list, which will help you know exactly what ingredients you need to buy. This will save you time and help you avoid any last-minute trips to the store. You can even plan a meal schedule for a week so that you can buy all the ingredients for the week at once. This will also save you money, as you'll be less likely to buy things you don't need. Number 8. Keep a calendar. Finally, keep a calendar. Keeping a calendar can help you prioritize your task by setting reminders, alerts, or schedules. Also, with a calendar, you can see the bigger picture of your weeks, months, and years, which helps in decision-making for long-term plans. Additionally, you can keep track of your goals, plans, and achievements, helping you stay motivated and on track. A calendar can help you stay organized by keeping track of necessary appointments, meetings, and events. There you have it. Those are the 8 DIY tips that you need to know to make your life easier. Let us know in the comments if we missed an important DIY tip or if you have some concerns about the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.